So today I have a very special video for you. I did ice cream bars and fruit popsicle. It's summertime right now. The time is really hot, so it's a really good thing to just have like ice cream bars and a popsicle, you know, something cool and refreshing. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get on to this video. So the ingredients for the ice cream bars is cornstarch, milk, milk powder. I also use vanilla extract, and if you want you can use chocolate. Now the chocolate is optional, but I will be showing you in this video how to melt chocolate if you plan to do that with your ice cream bars. Also, I made the fruit popsicles. So the ingredients for the fruit popsicles are a flavored mixture of your choice. I use star fruit and I also use guava. So let's get on to this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting on the ice cream bar. So I will be making the cornstarch mixture. Okay, so I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and then a 1/4 cup of milk. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix the ingredients together and I'm going to set it aside for later. I'm now going to pour in 2 cups of fresh milk into a pot on low heat. I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. I will mix until it is dissolved. So now I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to mix that out as well. Okay, so I'm going to gradually throw in the cornstarch mixture. As you can see, it's getting thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Turn off the heat and I'm going to mix it while it cools. Okay, so now we're going to be making the fruit popsicles. So for my fruit, I have star fruit and I have guava and they're already washed. I have a flavored mixture. I have my cutting board and my knife here ready and a jug to pour the thing in. So let's start. So back to the ice cream bar. I have my mixture here, so it is cool and thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be pouring it into the mold, the ice cream bar mold that I have, and I'm going to place it in the freezer. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting a foil paper over it, and I'm going to be making some holes in the middle to put in some stick. I'm just going to be adding some straws in there to hold it in. So I'm going to place them in the freezer overnight. Okay, now I'm adding the ingredients for the popsicle in the blender. And now I'm going to be adding some bottled water and I'm going to blend this up. Okay, so now it's time for blending. So let's start. Straining the mixture and I'm going to be adding a flavored mix for some oomph, you know, that's extra spice. Okay, so now that we've made the mixture, I'm going to be pouring it into a cup. So I have a little scoop thing and I'm just going to scoop out some of the mixture in this cup so I can place it in the freezer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place some foils over the cups and then I'm going to place a straw in the middle. If you have sticks, you can use sticks, but if you don't have, you can do like me and use a straw. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be covering it with of foil. So after I finish placing the foil over the cups, I'm placing them in this metal pan, and I'm going to put my straws in the hole and place them in the freezer for overnight. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the chocolate melting. So I have my hot pot of water, and I have my chocolates here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull them and just put some crunches in there and place it in the hot water. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it into the hot water, and I'm going to stir. You want to make sure that you leave it to cool, and this is the result for my chocolate melting. So here we have it, guys. We have the fruit popsicle, and I have the fudge, and I put a little chocolate on the side. So this is the finished result, guys. Enjoy. So guys, thank you for watching. We've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about this video, and tell me if you do try this video. Don't forget to tag me on my socials. They will be in the description box below, and they were in my intro. Don't forget to check out some recent links of mine. There will be links down below in the description box also. I upload every Friday, so be on the lookout. Bye guys.